Demolition Master is a 3ds Max tool based on thinking particles for making quick and easy destruction. Demolition Master uses thinking particles dynamic solver. It is more solid and stable with concave and convex objects enabled. Also, you can use bullet physics. For Demolition Master, you need 3ds Max with thinking particles installed. VFX is also supported but not necessarily needed. Demolition Master has lots of features like interactive dynamic demolition system, procedural bullet and joint system, concrete, wood, glass, and steel materials with specific parameters, full destruction control, fragmentation objects past different states with different frictions defined by users, instant debris creation for concrete, wood, steel, glass materials and bullets, instant interaction with VFX, the ability to export geometry, and bullet physics.